Here is a tutorial video from Python. We wanna introduce some course of studies for you. First one, we are going to talk about condition statement. Let's use the following diagram to explain. If A is greater than B, and it will print A is a winner. On the other hand, if A is not greater than B, and it will print B is a winner. Let's try to enter the code.
First of all, we set two variable names. One is named A and another is named B. We set the value of A to 20 and set B to 10. Then we can start to try the statement. According to the default value, A is equal to 20 and B is equal to 10. A is greater than B. Therefore, the result of the output is that A is a winner.
The condition statement ends here. Let's move on to the next part. Next one, we are going to talk about Python numerical value. There are three numeric types in Python: int, float, complex. Int, it is called integer. It has a type with a positive integer and a negative integer, but no decimal point. For example, 123 or negative 123. You can see that the output of x is class int and y is class int too.
Float. It's a floating point or an actual value. Write a decimal point to separate the integer and fractional parts. For example, 15.20. You can see that the output of x is class float. Complex. The form is a plus bj, where a and b are floating points and j represents the square root of -1. It's an imaginary number. A is real part and b is imaginary part.
For example, 3e plus 26j. You can see that the output of x is less than class com plus greater than.
Third, we are going to talk about lambda. Lambda is a function, and it is also called an anonymous function. You might want to use lambdas when you don't want to use function twice in a program. For example, when defining a function in Python, def is usually used. We can convert above function to Python lambda function as the follows.
X is 9, y is 1, then you can see the output is 10. This is the most obvious example. At least, we wanna teach you how to use the list. List is a collection which is ordered and changeable, and it allows to duplicate members.
A list contains multiple values in an ordered sequence. The term list value refers to the value that the list itself can store in a variable, or it can be passed to a function like any other value, not the value in the list value. In Python, lists are written in square brackets. For example, this list equals apple, banana, cherry. Print this list.
Loop store list. You can use the loop list cloud item. For example, this list apple, banana, cherry For x in this list, print x. You can see that the results are in the order of the new row. That is the all tutorial. If you want to learn more, just go to the website school to receive it. Thanks for watching.